Welcome back, and today we're going to be talking about new from Clipboard. What does that do, and what are the pros and cons about it, and that's going to be coming up right after this. Okay guys, so right here we have a design of suitcases, just flat design suitcases that I created a little bit ago, and so I'm gonna show you what new from Clipboard means right here. So the first thing that you need to do when you want to use this is you're gonna have to copy something. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on a suitcase to copy. Hit Command C to copy it, and then you come up here to File and click New from Clipboard. And what New from Clipboard does is it basically opens what you have copied, and it sticks it in its own document. As you can see, it opened a whole new document called Untitled. And this document is transparent, and it goes right to the edges of what you have selected. So if I were to select all of these three suitcases and then hit Command C and then come up here, hit New from Clipboard, then it would do the same thing except with these suitcases, so make it the exact same size. So then, now that you guys sort of know what this does, I'm going to be explaining some different uses for it, like why you would need to use it. First one I've come up with is when you're exporting it, it's nice to have a clean little document. Like if you want to have an icon on a website, you're going to need a nice clear background, and it's easiest to do that by just copying it and opening it new from Clipboard. Or you can go and jump into the expert persona if you do have a lot of things to do, but I think this is another quick way. And there's always more than one way to do things, so this is just one of the other ways to export. And then the second reason is because you can work non-destructively by doing this. So if you wanted to change this suitcase a little bit, but you didn't want to mess it up at all, like to where you could go back, like if you're fixing this or something, and you want it to be more like that or something like that, you can edit it in here, and then it won't mess up anything over here, and you still have both copies. And so then it can still look clean over here, and then you can just focus on one thing right here, and it just helps things go quicker, I wouldn't expect. And I know you can do this in snapshots panel right over here, but it's more quick here and more simple. You don't have to keep going back and forth. It's nice to have everything in front of you, just the tabs and everything. Then number 3 is a way to get your document right to the edges. So since I opened that and new from Clipboard, it got it right to the edges. So it's really handy to do that, and that's just all I have to say on that one. Pretty simple. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I had a question for you to answer in the comments below, and also to answer in the poll that will come up right up here. The question is, do you like photography? I enjoy photography a lot. I don't know if you guys do or not. I just wanted to find out. I like to do landscape photography a lot. So just answer the poll or comment below. That'd be awesome. And if you haven't subscribed yet, we have more tutorials on my channel about Affinity Designer and all that it can do to help you create more awesome designs. So I will see you in my next tutorial.